In this video, I'll show you how you can get a free private server in Blox Fruits. Now, usually it will cost you money. As you can see right here, it will cost you 200 Robux. However, there is an easy way that you can get a free private server. And what you have to do is you want to go into Blox Fruits, join any server, and then you want to add everyone, and then you want to go to a new server, add everyone, go to a new server, add everyone, and just keep doing that until you have like 100 friends or something. And out of those 100 friends, surely some of them will have the private server. So you can just join the private server from them when they have it. So that's basically how it works. You just want to keep adding people until you find some who have the private server, and then you can just join that private server. So it's really easy, guys, and that is basically how you can do it. So like I said, just keep joining, add everyone, join, add everyone, join, add everyone, until you have the maximum friends, and then some of them will have the private server, and then you'll have the private server. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.